Hey everybody, it's Neil. Welcome back to my family room here. Today for reviewing, I have the Obuby connection build starter set. It's to build forts. I mean, how cool is that? Who always likes forts? Everybody likes forts. Kids love forts. I like forts and I'm an adult. But let's see what it looks like inside here. So we open it up and we've got a whole bunch of balls and sticks. So let's check it out and see how it works. So, man, there's a whole bunch of these. So we got a whole ton of these. So let's pick out a couple of these. And we're just gonna give it a shot here, see what happens. We got some string and a bag to put it in so we can store it. It's kind of nice, so it'll one of those backpack bags. So that'll be good because this box, for some reason, I don't know if this box got out in the sun or something like that, but it's just brittle. It just cracks. But that's just the box. But let's check out these things here. So we got different colored balls. We got some blue ones and some, I don't know what that is, maybe green, I think it said. So let's see how this works. And there is instructions in it here. And then here's some different, samples of things that we can build. So let's just see how it works. So I think it's gonna be pretty simple. It's kind of like, what's it called? Tinker Toys. So this is gonna be pretty sweet. So we can just go like that. So I can build a pretty big fort with these. Let's see, get out a bunch of these. It's got so many different little areas to put the little sticks in to make the thing, but it's pretty sweet. So I can make a fort like this, and I think what you do is you make this into the fort. So however it is that you want to do it, I can just, and then once it's built, so you get the structure from this, and then what you're able to do is put like a blanket or a sheet or something like that over it, and it makes it into a fort. So this is pretty sweet. It's a great idea because I mean, we've done forts and put them over the couches and things like that. Yeah, I mean, it works, but how cool is this that it gives you like a structure so you can build, different shapes and things. Like, see, look at some of these ones here. They build some of these shapes. It's got like because you can angle them and stuff, you can really get a good tall one, and you can probably even stick it on top of the couch and get all sorts of stuff going. So I'm just gonna see, you can just build all sorts of things. So I'm not gonna finish building. You guys don't have to watch me build this whole thing, but I will be building it, and it'll be pretty sweet, and you can put it on there, and then you build your little fort, however big you want. This one's fairly small, but it comes with enough stuff to build some pretty decent sized forts. So I can build a big one, I can probably even stand up inside of it, put the sheet over it, and it's sweet. So it's like a tent, but with all this little stuff, and it's really cool. I like it. Thumbs up for me. Oh yeah, and be sure and like my channel and subscribe to it because I'm doing all sorts of other reviews and all sorts of stuff on there, fun videos. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll keep doing more reviews and more fun stuff. And that's it. Thanks for watching.